viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do this Barbie logo nail. Let's get started. After applying the base coat, I am doing the pink background of letter B. Here I am using the nail paints brush directly, but I will suggest you to use the precise nail art brush for a better and clear shape. However, my technique can also be used. Almost done with the pink background part. Now take any precision brush and let's jump to the main part. Draw the letter B very precisely and do it slowly so that there is less chance of doing any mistake. Provided that my nail is very short right now, but it is what it is. I have to do it with this only. Let's normalize nail art on very short nails also. Yeah, almost done with this part. Now let's put some rhinestones on it. I am literally a fussy girl. I don't know where my forceps are right now, so I am using this brush. I am letting it dry under a UV lamp. You can definitely use the sunlight also. I am neither a technician or any artist, but just doing this at my home. Here is the final look. If you really like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.